look at the lineup here, and it looks like we are gonna head up to the snow eventually. We bumped into the legendary Matt Farah. Hold on. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new year. It is January 1st. I'm out at about 6 a.m. We have to go 30 miles in about 30 minutes. We're going to a canyon run. All makes and models welcome. It is mainly focused on Porsches. We have to drive to Pasadena from Studio City to get into my buddy's Porsche, and we have no time to kill. Let's get right into it. All right, I hope everybody is excited to start the new year. I know I am. I can't think of a better way to wake up on January 1st at 6 a.m. than to do a sprinted canyon run. It is about 50 degrees outside, and I'm wearing layers on layers because once we get the Porsche, we are going up to Palmdale. That should be about an hour drive from where we're starting. It's gonna be much colder over there, and then we're gonna go through a bunch of little canyons up in the mountains. We're gonna end up in the Angeles Crest Forest, which would be freezing cold up there. This should be roughly a 2.5, maybe a 3-hour drive, not including stops, so this should be fun. All right guys, and just like that, we made it 30 miles in 30 minutes, all while keeping it under 40 miles per hour. Don't do the math on that. We are in the 996 Targa and we have no time to waste. We're gonna jump in. Alright guys, I know it's loud in here, but that's what you get with the Targa. I will be in the passenger seat for most of this. We've got our driver Baxter here. We are in a proper 6-speed manual, the only way to get a Porsche. Get used to this sight. We're probably gonna have to do this a couple of times today. We made it just in time. Check out some of these Porsches. I'm going to show you some of them, but we have to get back in the car very shortly and get on the run. Alright guys, the run has started. I know definitely we are not in the slowest car. I saw a couple of older Alphas. There's a 335i BMW in front of us with M3 badging and everything all over it. We're going to try and get a shot of that. They're having a good run though, so there's probably some suspension work done to it. Baxter doing a great job of driving so far. We are just entering the canyons now. right, we are entering Lancaster now. We're gonna stop for another break. We're gonna catch up with another group of cars. I hear that there is a Lamborghini there. We don't know what it is. We already saw the Huracan. Let's see what this one is. Here's the first year Lamborghini Diablo, first year production. The driver has put over 100,000 kilometers on it. Everything is factory, a couple of things reupholstered. We are gonna get in and check it out. We've heard about the clutch being incredibly stiff, incredibly tight. Let's see how that feels. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. Here we are, guys, check it out. We are in the mountains, temperature has gone down. Look at the lineup here, and it looks like we are gonna head up to the snow eventually. We've got ice all over up top. We're gonna see what the backside of Angela's Crest Porsche looks like. Another stop, we just passed the snow. We're catching up with a 348 Spider. We've got the X B7 Alpina. There's a Taycan, there's a Singer Porsche. We're gonna check out what is joining us now. All right, guys, we bumped into the legendary Matt Farah from One Take, filming with the X B7. Is that what you were doing?
Yeah, we were shooting that Alpina, and this my buddy rented this 348 Spider on Turo. He actually he might want to buy one, and so that was actually like the easiest way to get some real seat time. So while we were out here, I had to go in that as well. But yeah, I'm driving this Alpina this week. It's very fast and very big, and it has massage seats. It's not what you call a driver's car, but it's all right. It's all right, yeah.
Well, I know you'll have fun with it on these roads with One Take. Cool. Make sure to check out Matt Farah's channel. I'm gonna link it in the description. One Take. He drives awesome cars. The Smoking Tire. Matt Farah, I'm gonna turn off the camera now, where I'm gonna ask him to drive a few of these cars. I don't want to catch that on tape. Good to meet you, Matt Farah.
Later.
Alright, we are back on the road. We're officially out of the snow. We're going to go up to Mount Wilson, which we may encounter some more snow because the elevation is even higher than where we were. As predicted, we just passed Mount Wilson and we were worried we might hit a little bit more snow. I don't know, what do you think? Right now we're kind of sliding around all over the place because there's ice all over the road.
A two-wheel drive Porsche on summer tires on ice.
All right, guys, this is officially the last stop. We're in Newcomb Ranch. That used to be a sign that said so. We're gonna check out the last bit of the cars here, maybe play in the fresh snow. We came pretty high up past Mount Wilson. We have a long drive back down, back to Pasadena. This will officially close the video. I'll show you a few more cars. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at AdamDrivesLA, and until next time.